In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly buy and sell fast-moving, lower-priced stocks using Robinhood on your PC. This approach is perfect if you're looking to take advantage of rapid price movements, but remember, these trades can be risky, so always manage your account carefully. First, start by opening Robinhood on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Take a moment to get comfortable with the platform if you're new. It's important to be familiar with where to find everything, since moving quickly is key with fast-moving stocks. Next, your goal is to identify stocks that are moving quickly and are priced on the lower end. These stocks often attract more activity from traders and can present short-term trading opportunities. Use Robinhood's search function, which you can find at the top of the dashboard. Type in the stock's ticker symbol that you're interested in, then click on the stock from the drop-down or results. Once you're on the stock's page, take a close look at its chart and trading volume. A chart that shows the price making new highs and moving up steadily is what you're looking for. High volume is also important as it signals plenty of buying and selling activity, which means you'll have a better chance of getting in and out of your trade quickly. Before you place a buy order, make sure you're seeing a clean upward move. Basically, the price should be rising and setting new highs in a clear, strong trend. When you spot this, click the buy button. Choose to buy shares, not dollars, and enter a small number of shares so you don't risk too much of your account on one trade. It's always best to start small, especially if this kind of trading is new to you. Double check everything, then click review order, and finally buy. Now, because these kinds of stocks can move very quickly, you want to sell as soon as you see a spike in the price. Don't get greedy. The goal is to capture quick gains. Head back to the stocks page, click trade, then select sell. Enter the number of shares you want to sell, review your order, and then confirm the sale. If you see another opportunity with a different stock, showing a clear pattern and high volume, you can repeat the process, but only do it when you see that strong upward setup. Don't force trades if the move isn't obvious. Importantly, always keep your losses small. If the chart starts to break its upward pattern, act quickly. Go back to trade, click sell, and enter the number of shares based on a stop size that you're comfortable with. Closing the position early when the setup changes can help minimize your losses. And that's it. You now know how to trade fast-moving, lower-priced stocks on Robinhood while managing your risk. Practice with small positions until you're confident and always trade carefully. Thanks for watching and happy trading.